All right, welcome back, my dear students. I hope you're having a great day. Today is a really good day to learn some really object-oriented programming with PHP. Now, I'm in admin underscore content inside the includes folder. All right, and we already made this code right here, which finds a user by its ID. In this case, it's going to be 2. And then we are echoing out the username. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but we are returning an array. This is an array right here. And we don't want to be doing that. We are doing object-oriented programming. So what we want to do is actually return an object. Now, before we do that, right, we got to come back here to user and create some properties, because right now what we want to do really is print out something like this. This is what we, not print out, but we want to use the array values like this. All right, so this would be our object and this would be the property. All right, instead of doing this. So for that to work, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna come back here, and then here we got to make those properties. All right, so we can say something like public and ID. We can say public username, public first name. I believe I got one of those columns named like this, and public last name. And I think that we even have a password there somewhere. Let's just do it right below here. All right, password. All right, perfect. So we got this going there. Now let's come back here to admin content and let's do that. Let's use some of those to assign different values. So now we can come here and instantiate our object, because we have to instantiate it. Right now we're not instantiating anything. We're just using the static method. So let's just go ahead and say new user, right? Then we can use the object here, property, like this, username, right? Like this. All right, now we can just copy and paste this a couple of times. We can call this ID. We can leave that as username. I'm gonna leave this as password. I don't know what I wrote there, but it's very, and first name and last name, right? And we can change that here too. So I'm just gonna copy this, paste it actually here, copy this. And I think it might be faster writing it down for some of you, and the last name, right? And now if we want to echo it, all we have to do is say echo user ID, right? We'll come back here to admin content, refresh, and now we can see the user ID right there. Now we're using object-oriented programming, right? We are assigning those values to our object and we have it working. All right, on the next lecture I'm going to show you how to even make this even a lot better. All right, so take care, and hopefully you're enjoying this course, and I see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.